We started up in early 2021 with the ambition to build over 1 million premises passed in fibre to the home here in the east of England.
And Up is a altnet provider, and we serve underprivileged villages for fibre connection in Lincolnshire and Norfolk.
So when we started in January 2021, so we had to get going very quickly. Our first customer was only 5 months later.
So the biggest challenge we had as an organisation is how would we implement Salesforce?
Our plan for Up in terms of the way in which we were going to organise ourselves was to be IT heavy, people light. So right from the beginning, all our processes were automated.
We've had quite a short time to do that, and we had to do this transition on the live system.
We chose Salesforce predominantly because we wanted to put the customer at the heart of everything that we did as an organisation.
At the end of last year, we took the step to upgrade to Salesforce Communications Cloud to really put us on a more standardised route to make future upgrades and such like easier.
It was a full-on project running from January to September. So within the 9 months, a phenomenal amount of work was done, and I believe that was one of the first in the UK.
Pretty big forklift upgrade, which is hard to imagine in a business that's only 2 years old. But we forklift out the IT system and replace it. And again, that was a project that went really well. Actually, I think
By getting the key people involved in the project and the business processes aligned, we were able to take those business processes and build them into the system.
The platform enabled a full end-to-end journey. So from a customer applying on the website, all the way through booking an appointment to order, that was all built in the journey.
so we're able to scale from not many customers to lots of customers without adding any staff.
Our marketing team were self-sufficient. They could set up products, promotions. They could then self-service to publish those to the web.
And then that has also added benefit that customers get a great experience. Consistent, repeatable, and fail-safe.
And it enabled a lot more detail for our customer service team to be able to amend customer orders, do upgrades and downgrades for customers, apply discounts, and it made the platform a lot more of a holistic view.
And really set us up for a great place to be moving forward into the next phase of Up.
Salesforce is a leading cloud solution to manage relationships with customers and partners. But then when you go to a telecommunication company that we decided to specialize in, you need much more than that.
One of the things I think I've learned and take away is choosing your vendors wisely, working in a collaborative way, which is not a one-way street. It's not, the vendor going to do that. It also, the purchaser needs to do that as well. Collaboration element. Challenge on both sides. Really moved us forward in leaps and bounds in a way you wouldn't have done if you'd have taken a more traditional approach of managing a contract.
They had the knowledge, the experience, they had the relevant support personnel who they were able to interact with to develop it best in class, which is what we wanted.
Even when things were going tough in the middle of the night, when we were implementing Comms Cloud, it was 3 a.m, we all got together on calls and we all helped each other out. So it was great camaraderie as well as a great working relationship.
People do business with people. Don't forget that. That's always an important thing.